Hello, everyone. I'm Candy. Today, I'll be bringing you a book about the daily lives of two lovely girls, Lucy and Billy. First, let's meet the two main characters of our story. This little one, fast asleep over here, is Lucy. She's an energetic and lively girl. And next to her is the sweet and beautiful Billy. Both of them have decorated their rooms with their own unique styles. Now, let's explore their rooms together. Lucy's room has such a fun and playful design, doesn't it? And now, let's wake Lucy up. Lucy, wake up. Next, let's check out Billy's room. It's so cute and adorable. Billy, time to wake up. Our two little girls are awake now, so let's help them with their morning routines. First, I'll take Lucy to the bathroom. Then I'll help her wash her hands. Remember, kids, after going to the bathroom, we need to wash our hands really well with soap. After washing her hands, let's brush Lucy's teeth together. Now it's Billy's turn. First, I'll take her to the bathroom. Then I'll wash her hands really well. And finally, we'll brush her teeth. All done. Now, I'm going to give them both a bath. I'll start with Lucy. First, I'll use shampoo, then body wash, and finally, I'll get her dressed. Next, it's Billy's turn. I'll use shampoo on her, then body wash. All done. Now, I'll dress Billy up too. After their bath, I'll make breakfast for the two of them. Once breakfast is finished, it's time for them to go outside and play. Wishing you all a wonderful, fun-filled day. Come on, let's make this quiet book with Candy.